Hi, my name is Dallas Shepard with the Harmonized Brain Centers, and today we're going to just talk about attitude and who do we listen to. And to do that, I would like to tell you a story about a little young Native American boy who got in trouble, and he was sent to his grandmother's. And at his grandmother's, he had to sit there and do a lot of chores, but then the grandmother began to speak to him and tell him about the story of the two wolves. She said that each of us have two wolves inside of us. One that is really mean and nasty and angry all the time. The other good wolf is kind and gentle, yet strong. So it is interesting that the boy started asking the question, well, what do you do with these wolves? She said, well, it's your job to feed the wolves. But the problem is you only have enough food to feed one. And the boy looked up at his grandmother with that curious look and said, well, which one do you feed? And the grandmother looked down at the young boy and said, that's your choice. Which one do you feed? The good wolf or the bad wolf? And so when we look at the Harmonized Brain Centers, attitude is obviously a very important part. And so we made up some wolves that we have of our own. And these wolves kind of represent the two different wolves. But I grew up in the 1970s and we always had cartoons. And in those cartoons, you always had a little wolf that sat on this shoulder, and then you had another wolf that sat on that shoulder. And those wolves would always battle back and forth, or the angel and the devil. And so as you can see, we have wings on this one wolf and the horns on the other. And so the question always comes back to, who do you listen to? The good wolf or the bad wolf? The choice is yours. Thank you.